Hello everybody, my name is Jurgen. I'm sitting here in my hotel room in Portugal to explain to you that numerical programming can be a lot better. And what goes wrong at the moment, that's actually unknown. So we know that floating point numbers are not maximally accurate, and we know they can accumulate errors. But they don't do that for every piece of software, they do that only very rarely, right? But what we do know is that people input numbers that are inaccurate to basically everything. So they measure inaccurate data and then they use the data as if it's 100% accurate or as accurate as floating point numbers can be, and then the output number that comes out is taken as a fact. For example, you could measure all the weather, the average temperature over the last century, then put that data into an average, and then you get an average with a number of decimals precision. But the question is, how accurate is this? And so what we did in this paper is we decided to redesign programming languages such that people that use it don't have to think about that anymore, but they do get a report of how inaccurate their computations are. And the input is their usual numbers plus an estimate on the inaccuracy, so a radius around the original number. Then the programming language automatically propagates that information through the computation, and then in the output you see how inaccurate the result is. And we are experimenting at the moment with this, implementing it. It is quite a bit slower than normal floating point numbers, as you can imagine. But there's the nice thing that it's a closed abstraction, that people can just compute with it safely without shooting themselves in the foot. So it has a lot of promise. What's very interesting is that with this representation of midpoint-radius numbers, which is basically an interval, we do get laws of distributivity and associativity and commutativity, and even a weak version of inversion, which you wouldn't get with normal interval. So in that sense it's an innovation, and we are looking forward to experimenting. We also would like to work together with other people on this, so if you are interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.